In this one, we'll see how you can upload a static image on Ruttl and review the same. To do so, click on this button over here, select the image that you'd like to upload, and your image will be added to Ruttl for review. You can also upload more images. For example, now I'm adding Ruttl's website. There we go. Now we need to open the image, and you can right away get started on leaving comments on this. For example, you can also tag someone and comment. For example, I'll tag Sunny here and ask him to reduce the length of the hair. As soon as your commenting is finished and you believe that the work is done, you can mark the comment as resolved, and this will go in the resolved section over here. You can always mark them as unresolved. You can go to any of your comment and edit it, send to Trello, delete it, or resolve it. Your guests or clients can also leave comments on these static images. You can always add another version of these images. So for example, click on the same image again, and a new version of this image will be added to Ruttl. You can always go back to your previous versions, you can rename them, you can delete them, or share them with external stakeholders as well. That's it. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.